The blinking purple light on an Alexa device can be caused by two main issues. The device being in Do Not Disturb mode, indicated by a quick purple flash, or a problem with the Wi-Fi connection, signified by a pulsing purple light. To resolve the issue, first check if the device is in Do Not Disturb mode. If so, this can be easily deactivated by opening the Alexa app, scrolling down to the Do Not Disturb menu, and toggling it off, which should cause the purple light to disappear. Alternatively, if the issue is with the Wi-Fi connection, it's necessary to check the connection between the device and the internet. If there's a problem, try reconnecting the device to the Wi-Fi. In some cases, the issue may be with the router itself, in which case restarting it by turning it off and on again after a few minutes can resolve the problem, allowing the Alexa device to connect to the internet and causing the purple light to stop blinking.